Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I will discuss about immediate invoke function. So this function, like someone called self invoke function as well. So in this video I will show you the syntax of immediate invoke function, or you can call it self invoke function, and the difference between normal function and self invoke function, okay, or else you can say it immediate invoke function. So for that purpose I will go to the HTML file. Here you can see I have one button, okay, and I have one normal function. This one I kept here because to show the difference between normal function or self invoke function, okay, you can say it immediate invoke function, okay. So now here first of all I will show you the syntax of self invoke function. Here I will use the term self invoke function, okay. So don't be confused, self invoke function means immediate invoke function as well, okay. So now here the syntax is, first of all you have to write parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis you have to write function, then another parenthesis, and like this, okay. This is the syntax, and after that here you have to write parenthesis like this way, and now here you can perform anything. Anything means, suppose here I want to take one variable where a equals to 10 and where b equals to 20, and another variable which is REA, short form of result, and a into b, like this, okay, and console dot log, and here this, okay. So now self invoke function means what? Means this function invoke immediately, okay. Means here you can see when we call this function, so this function we have called here. When I'll click the button, so that time this normal function will perform, but we can call this function onload as well, okay. Onload means everything I have discussed in my previous video. If you are getting confused, you can watch my previous videos, okay, and link you will get in the description. So this way you can call here. So this function no need to call, right, because this function will call automatically. That is the self invoke function, means it will call by self, okay. So here that is called self invoke function, and here the difference. So you are thinking we can write this function and we can call this function here, so and this function also will call onload. So what is the difference between this normal function and this self invoke function? So there is the difference. So difference means, suppose here I have created this normal function, okay, but before this normal functions I have some other line of code like this, okay. This is I am using .8, but suppose this is some other code, or else suppose for your understanding purpose I will write here another function, okay, function A, okay. So if I call this function here, so what it will happen? First it will render this function, then this one it will read, and then it will call this function. Means it will just render line by line, this one, means this function will call when it will reach this line, but this function will call when our page will load, okay. Here no need to reach here, it will call immediately. That's why it is called self invoke function. It is calling by own self, okay, no need to call by yourself, okay. So here no need to reach up to that, it will call when your page will load, but this time it will call when it will render this one, and after that this one it will call. So that is the difference between self invoke function and a regular, or you can say it simple function, okay. I hope it is clear, but still if you have any doubt you can write in the comment section, or you can follow me in my Insta ID. Insta ID will get in the screen, or else you can get in the description, and this video's playlist link you will get in the description as well. And if you find this video helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more updates in JavaScript.